Hi guys, this is Chloe Kiefer with Evolve Lab, here to bring you another video about Revit Generative Design. In this video, Bill, Clara, and Ben are going to be talking about the optimization method.
So the way this is going to work is we're going to go to Manage and create a study. Opening this, and here we're going to use this one. And here we're going to start playing around with these inputs and outputs that we selected to generate these multiple options that we're trying to. So first thing first, I'm going to make sure I'm selecting the wall I want, or the face I want. And let's start with the optimize method. So for this method, you have the variables, which are the parameters you defined as input in your Dynamo script. And you have your goals, which is what you defined as output. Also the constraints, which is also based on output selection in Dynamo. So in this case, we wanted to keep all these variables, but I don't want to add all these goals. I think I'm going to add the randomness modifier as a goal, and I want to maximize it. So I want more randomness than non-randomness. And I also going to set it as a constraint from 0.2 to 0.8. Actually, I'm going to shrink this to 0.7. So you don't have like a total randomness or total non-randomness. And you can also set other inputs here as a constraint too. So for example, if I don't want the point to be like right in the edge of the surface, the attractor point, I can add that as constraint here. So yeah, let's generate our study. Okay, so this one was the optimizing method, and it's trying to optimize the randomness. So we can see that it has pretty much a lot of randomness on all the options it created. So it just like the randomness was like the exact maximum that we defined in the constraint.
And then you can drag it up or down on those vertical bars to start kind of optioneering which ones you want to include and not include. It filters them out.
So this is one of 4 different methods of generative design that's used in Revit. If you'd like to check out our other videos, we go through all 4 of these methods in separate short videos.